world's most annoying dog.
Get it, Sam boy. Pick it up and get that thing. You get that thing.